History is overflowing with examples of the virtues of persistence. The most notable winners throughout the ages would have encountered untold challenges before their victories, yet they refuse to be defeated. There's a big difference between being persistent and just being busy. And the sooner you realize it, the better off you'll be. You have already created a plan for each of your goals that outlines the steps you need to take to be successful. Sometimes, your dedication and persistence can get you to engross in day to day activities. Don't let busyness cloud your focus on the big picture, your ultimate goal. The law of attraction rewards positive and productive energy. Focus on your dreams.